Welcome to our plant-powered adventure. Get ready to explore the benefits of plant-based eating and discover a world of vibrant fruits, vegetables, and delicious plant-based meals. Introduce the video and set the tone for an exciting exploration of plant-based eating. Join us as we delve into the health benefits, environmental impact, and culinary inspiration of vegan and vegetarian lifestyles. Enhance your overall health with plant-based diets. Scientific studies and charts depict healthy individuals thriving on plant-based meals, providing essential nutrients and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Discover the positive impact of plant-based eating on your health. Embrace a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to nourish your body and promote longevity. Experience the benefits of plant-based eating. Boost your energy levels, improve digestion, and achieve a healthy weight by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Unlock the power of plant-based eating. Discover how it can reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer, while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Improve your overall well-being with plant-based diets. Experience increased vitality, improved mood, and a stronger immune system by embracing the benefits of vegan and vegetarian lifestyles. Promote sustainability for a healthier planet. Witness the beauty of nature and the devastating effects of pollution, while exploring sustainable farming practices that support the environment. Choose plant-based foods to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Conserve natural resources and protect the planet's biodiversity by embracing a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle. Make a positive impact on the environment with your food choices. Learn how plant-based eating can help combat deforestation, water pollution, and habitat destruction caused by animal agriculture. Join the movement towards a sustainable future. Embrace plant-based eating to protect our planet's natural resources and create a better world for future generations. Indulge in delicious and innovative plant-based recipes. Follow step-by-step cooking demonstrations, explore mouth-watering dishes, and witness the joy of people enjoying plant-based meals. Discover a world of plant-based culinary inspiration. From hearty main courses to delectable desserts, explore a variety of recipes that are both nutritious and bursting with flavor. Elevate your meals with plant-based ingredients. Learn how to create satisfying and wholesome dishes that will impress your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Experience the joy of plant-based eating. From colorful salads to hearty stews, there's a plant-based recipe for every palate. Join us on a culinary adventure that will nourish your body and delight your senses. Join us on the journey towards a healthier, greener, and more compassionate world. Embrace the power of plant-based eating to transform your life and make a positive impact on the planet. Wrap up the video by emphasizing the importance of embracing a plant-based lifestyle. Together, we can create a better future for ourselves, the planet, and all living beings.